This is a summary of session number 10 of Logical Problem Solving class at the Yokohama National University. Today we continue the group discussion where the students were required to develop a logical story to reach the given conclusion. The conclusion was online class should be more available at universities. The purposes of this exercise were: first, learn how to reach a consensus in a group with people who have different opinions. And second, learn how to make a logic structure to support the conclusion. 5 teams competed with each other in the presentation in terms of consistency and persuasiveness, assuming that they are presenting their own online class system as a product to the university staff. While most of the groups made effectively their logical story from some evidences or reasons to the conclusion, I found that some groups still developed on their own, dependent on their own the experience or opinions as premises or assumptions. I made some feedback to each presentation, but the most critical one was about the effectiveness of the premise or assumption to support their conclusions. That is, the most powerful or strongest premise would be general principle or common understanding. You may rely on specific example, but you should be aware that the personal experience or opinion would be the weakest premise to convince somebody. You may be able to reinforce the power of the premise or evidence. Uh, in order to do that, you may aggregate more examples and refer to other data or information to justify your personal opinions. The exercise was very practical in the situation, which was similar to the one in the real business settings. I believe that those kinds of class was quite unique, and I'm sure that students have been developing their very practical logical skill sets in my class. I really hope that I can deliver the same programs in many occasions in any country in the world. Thank you.